Myntri Rangbah ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ula Plie Plie eka civil subdivision Patharkhmah ha Patharkhmah ha ka artarik unopra ha khmat ki hajar ngut ki Plie na ki dong bat ki kentot jang ka than western rib hoi ki bara lumlang ha madan le kai ka ni ka Shillong ha ka ni ka sngi Plie eka Patharkhmah civil subdivision la senran lang da uba Sosthino Sotun MLA Jirang ba Macmillan Bersat MLA Nongston bat ba Victor Rani MDC Haga jingkran hakani ka sngi Plie yakani ka civil subdivision bathamai Myntri Rangbah ula ongba ukermen bat khmi lenti bagani ka office bathamai kanya lami ki pat ba jagani ka than cha ka bha kamyan karoi ka pa par ka jingkiu irat habaro kilyang ula ongru ba ka jingsliang ba jing angnu jong ki pat ba abandon ki office sarkar hajan kishnong ki thaw ha ki than kandong kala urlong menta ka sngi ha Patharkhmah ha ba ka sarkar kala kentiu ka office administrative shaka civil subdivision bapura Myntri Rangbah ulaya merjing mudru bat kinong rap ki de khot jang ki self help group bat kitu ki balayo jing rap naka focus but yes hakani ka sngi ula sam ru khat saw lak tengka shakini ki kanhon
I am overjoyed ngasukmen hado kata-kata ladangi pai ke baro Iba ki patba ki rasha jinjar de ki posnem. People have been suffering for the last many years. The people of Jirang constituency, especially the people of Western Dihoi. And on this day, we are witnessing by ourselves each and every person, be here on the ground or outside, or be the person, those who are not able to come and attend this program. We are all in joy.
I would like to thank God Almighty, who has not only blessed us with this beautiful day, but He has blessed us with the civil subdivision, which I'm sure will be a very important step forward to change the lives of the people living in this region. I also would like to thank your local MLA. Basotun has been someone who has been very determined and passionate to ensure that this civil subdivision comes through. And the people of this region and of the constituency of Jirang must appreciate the hard work that he has done to be able to make this administrative unit into a full-fledged civil subdivision. No.